The Greenlight Debit Card is a financial tool designed to help parents teach their children financial literacy while providing them with a sense of independence. Here's how it works. Parental control. Parents can sign up for a Greenlight account and receive debit cards for their children. They have full control over the spending limits, where the card can be used, and can monitor transactions in real time through the Greenlight app. Spending limits. Parents can set specific spending limits for different categories, such as groceries, entertainment, or clothing. This allows children to learn budgeting skills and prioritize their spending. Parent-paid interest. Greenlight offers a feature where parents can set up interest payments on their children's savings accounts linked to the debit card. This incentivizes savings and teaches the concept of earning interest on deposits. Educational tools. The Greenlight app provides educational resources and tools to help children learn about personal finance, budgeting, and saving. It includes interactive lessons, quizzes, and games designed to make learning about money fun and engaging. Security. The Greenlight debit card comes with security features such as the ability to lock and unlock the card instantly through the app, as well as the option to receive real-time alerts for every transaction made.